I've been in the finance industry and banking for about 15 years altogether.
I was a nurse for 13 years.
I was doing life insurance and it just wasn't giving me like the excitement that I was looking for.
I had heard great things about welding. I've always kind of been interested in it, but there just never was a really convenient time for me to do it, and I finally took the plunge, and I'm really glad that I did.
I thought there was a lot of things that I couldn't do as a woman being in this industry, especially because there's only 4% women in the industry.
The biggest aspect for me, I think, that held me back was just fear and intimidation. Maybe like, oh, I won't be as welcomed, or maybe I can't do this, or, you know, just insecurity in my own head.
The guys here are very accepting.
I've never had any issue with anyone. They're really social with the girls too. It's not like real cliquish here. Everyone kind of hangs out together and helps each other out.
Here and there you're picking up something that's like 50 pounds or dealing with fire, cutting things. You know, they want to help you out because you're a woman and they assume it's the right thing to do. But then you learn how to do it by yourself.
I can show them that I can do the same thing. I can keep up with the big boys. I show that I earned my right to be here.
It's another place I can just prove myself and prove other people wrong. Boys and men, they always want to do something for you as a woman, and that's your chance to show them that you can do it all by yourself.
And my advice to any women who want to join, just come on. We're ready for you. You can do it, and we would love to have you. We'd be happy to have you.
Nothing comes easy, so anything that's easy is not always worth it. So as long as you challenge yourself, get your hands dirty, and be a part of something that's bigger than yourself, you'll see how far you can take yourself.
We're just going to pave the way for everybody and keep equal opportunities open for everybody.